Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by proving control of the domain and requesting a trusted certificate. First, make sure your domain resolves and ports 80 and 443 accept connections. This allows Acme HTTP 01 or DNS 01 challenges. Next, pick a CA or automated client like CertBot, then generate a CSR or let the client create the key and handle the challenge. Keep the private key permissioned and off public access, because a compromised key is the primary way HTTPS becomes untrustworthy. Once you have the certificate files, place the full chain and private key in a secure folder and update your web server configuration to reference them. For Apache, set SSL certificate file and SSL certificate key file. For Nginx, set SSL certificate and SSL certificate key. Then ensure the site listens on 443 and enable a 301 redirect from port 80 to 443 so visitors reach the secure site. Also set modern TLS versions and cipher suites. This protects users and prevents browser warnings from weak crypto. Finish by validating the certificate chain and site behavior. Open the site in a browser. Use curl-I and an SSL Labs scan to confirm no chain gaps or deprecated TLS. Then automate renewals with CertBot timers or a cron job and run a dry run to verify. Finally, eliminate mixed content by replacing HTTP resources with HTTPS links. If something goes wrong, check the certificate chain first. An incomplete chain or wrong file, full chain versus cert, is the most common cause of.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.